In this tutorial in Cyberlink PowerDirector, we're going to look at how you can take 4 videos, have them share the screen, and then have each one in turn pop out and fill the entire screen, and do this in line with music. I have this as a request of one of my subscribers. Let me ask you to look at the following example, and then we'll show you how we did this. So I have these 4 videos, and I'm going to expand my tracks so you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I have a music track. I'll play a few bars of that. So we're going to have these 4 videos share the screen, and then each one will take over and then retreat so you can have that work also in time with the video. Here's how we do that. First of all, we have to have them share the screen. So I'm going to click on the bottom clip, and then we want to make it a quarter of the screen. Best way to do that is use grid lines. I'm going to right click on it with one of them highlighted, doesn't matter which one. Click on grid lines, and I'll go 2 by 2, which gives me 4 quadrants. I'm going to take the first video, put it to the upper left, click on the second one above it, and then we'll put this one on the upper right. We'll click on the third one, and the third one will be to the lower right, and then the fourth one, and that's to the lower left. So now they share the screen. If I were to play it now, I would hear the music, and nothing special happens. Now let's make them pop out and share the screen in line with the music. So I'm going to take the one at the bottom, that's my stacking order, it's the one on the very top, and let's edit it. I'll click on Edit, and I'll give it more screenshot here, and then I want to click on Advanced. We're going to move our playhead all the way to the left. We're going to set a position and scale keyframe. 2 little diamonds will set the keyframe for me, and then I want to listen to the music as I play this. Okay, that's about where I want it to expand. So I'm going to expand it after that little beat. And it'll be full screen. And I'll listen as I play it. Now when we have this beat here, I want it to start to shrink. But before it does it, I have to have it maintain the full scale. So I'm going to right-click on the position value, choose Duplicate, and right-click on the scale and Duplicate. So between these 2 keyframes, it will be full screen. Then I'm going to listen to the sound. Now where that stops, about there, okay, we're going to then shrink it back. Let's go back to the beginning and you'll see what happens with this one. Okay, looks like we're getting another beat right about here, so that's where I want to cut it. I'll take the second clip and I'll do Control-T to split it. Now I have to drag it in front of the other clip because it's going to take over. Just put it on the lower track. And then let's edit this. We're going to click on Edit and then Advanced as well. Okay, and it's this clip, it's the highlighted one. We're going to set 2 keyframes, position and scale like we did before. We'll listen to the music. Right about there is where I want it to move. So that's where I'll take and expand the full screen. And then this is where it's going to shrink. It hits that other beat here. Right click again and do Duplicate. Right click and Duplicate. Move over and listen to the sound. Okay, and then this is where I want it to go back where it came from, and click on OK. Now we have the third one here. We'll have to split it about here. Do Control T on this one. And again, we drag it to have priority. It's going to be above the other ones. We'll edit it. Click on Advanced. I'm going to set some keyframes at the beginning. Listen to the sound. Okay, that's a good place right there, perhaps. And now we want to enlarge it during that sequence of sound. Okay. And now we have our other beat here. And so we'll right-click again, duplicate on both tracks. Listen to the sound. Okay, right about here is where it should be done. And then it will return where it came from. We've got one more to do. And that will be the first track, and we will need to cut it. Control T to split. Take what's left of it and drag it down above the other tracks. Okay, and we'll edit it. In the advanced mode, set 2 keyframes. Listen to the sound. Okay, that's a good place right there. At this point, we will enlarge it to be the full screen. Okay, let's make this where we duplicate the keyframes. That's the time that stays on the screen. That would be a good beat right about there when it goes back and returns to its normal size, sharing the screen with the other clips. Okay, so now if we play the whole thing together, and there we have it. Hopefully that was helpful for you. You might find that technique useful in your productions in CyberLink PowerDirector.